Hey, it's your girl Lid. I am finally, after a month of my birthday, finally gonna go through all my bags, and I'm actually gonna try it on with you guys so you can see all the gifts I got. Gifting is my love language. Like, I love to gift people a lot of things. It could just be random, something I saw at the store or whatever. So when it comes to my birthday and everybody gifted me, I felt so loved. Besides the fact that they showed up to everything that I planned, but gifts, period. So we're gonna go through each bag and you're gonna see what I got, and I'm excited to try it on for you. BT Dub, I am wearing the Real Tree set that you can find on my website. It's very comfy. You can sleep in it. You can run errands in it. You know, it's comfy, period. All right, here we go. So, what do we have here? Let's start. Where y'all want to go first? I'm going to start with the Fame Boutique. Fame right there. Amina gifted me this. I'm super excited. Ooh, look at this. I don't even wear that much dresses, but everybody knew I love blue this year, so everybody gifted me blue. All right, I'll be right back. How I'm looking? Do y'all like it? My hair's a little crazy. So I went ahead and brought some heels so I can try it on with all the dresses so I can get the real vibe of it. Oh, good, it fits so tight. I like this little thing right here that I can pull and make it a little scrunchy right here. Okay, Ami. Okay, Fame Boutique. What else she got me? Y'all know I love to travel, so she got me a passport case holder. Super excited. Period. And to the next outfit, let's see what we got. Let's go with this one. Cheetah. This one is from Peaks. It's another dress. Clearly I'm getting a lot of dresses. They're like, dress more. We need you in dresses. Ooh. Gee. All right, I'll be back. Okay. What y'all think? Yeah? Yes. So I love it. I love the print on this for sure. It's super light, super like wiggly. I could like, but I do have to pull down. But that's just thick thighs, okay? This is a sitting pretty type of deal. Yeah, but I love it. It has this snakes. Well, I don't know. It's like an animal print to it. Okay. What's the next one we're gonna try? Ooh, I see this. This is from Joe. It's a purse. It can go with my outfit. What y'all think? Yeah? It does have a little string, so if I wanted to, you know, I'm not gonna pull this out right now, but I love it. I love the baby blue, which kind of off, it's still like blue. Not like my hair, but yes. I see something else in here. Oh, okay, that's from my other friend, Key. She bought me some hair things whenever I do my dreads. You know, I can stick this in there as well as, this one's my favorite right here, very dainty. If you have dreads, you can stick it on your dread. Hot and Laura, which purchased me this bottle. Wow. Turn up. Okay. Moving forward to more things that we can try on. It's from Addison, okay? And this is like one of my biggest fans. I love her. She shows up to everything, class, whatever. Like, what she purchased me. She's got me blackberry spray, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, this sweater. I'm gonna try this on for y'all, but I'm gonna need to wear shorts. Blackberry. I'll bring it closer. catchphrase, the lotion, and her card. She always writes me these dope ass notes. I'm not gonna go through and read everything, but I'm just gonna read the beginning what it says. You know they say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You are indeed one of the most beautiful, melanated, sweetest, outgoing people I've ever met. And we're gonna end it there because you know I love Tupac. You know, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. I love how she, made it all match with the vibe. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna try on this sweater for you guys and I will be right. Yeah, it's so comfy. It has a hoodie, you know what I'm saying, for my incognito-ness. Has this tie-dye approach to it. It's very fleecy for the warm weather. Yeah. So, what else do we got for me? Hey. Oh. Boom. This red bag. 2 cards in it. Wow. I think I just put other people's cards in bags that night. Okay, this card is from Queen, who also purchased this from me, this dress. And the metallicness. I'll be right back. What's up? This is so cute. I thought it was gonna be really big when I saw it in the bag, but I actually like the way it fits. It's snug, yet like it's tight, but loose, but not like too loose. I love the color. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Queen, for this. I love it. All right, let's see what we have next. I believe there was another card in here. It was. And it's Shmoney. We love it, Shmoney. You deserve the royal treatment on your birthday. And this is from, I think my friend Ashley. And I'm a queen, period. But ching, ching, ching on a money tree. And every time we change money comes to me, money flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. And I love it. So this is like from a month ago. So I have money, period. LOL. A little bit of this stuff back. Move this back. We went through that. We went through this. What is this? Wow. Gee, it's the box for me. I'm going to try this raw fit. It's a lot. So I'm going to try it on and I'll be right back. Yes, this color is beautiful. Like, I love it. It feels very nice. It's just smooth and it compresses. I love how it feels on the book. See it? Okay, y'all see this waist? What waist? No, but yes. And then it's the jacket. It has the fingers, I mean. You can unzip. And then there's a top underneath. Right? I love, 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 love the little mesh so you can show a little boobie. It is a bit tight, like right here on me. I probably need a medium. But, baby, get into it. Thanks, Rod. Thanks, Bday. I love it, love it, love it. Love it. Moving forward, we'll stick with the black boxes. What else I got over here? Black box. So, Violet did my makeup for all 3-4 days of my birthday. So this is her item. It's her t-shirt. She knows I love big t-shirts. Thank you, girl. Bye. Photos. Y'all, I love spell. Okay, high school and all, like I still love spell, period. And then she also bought me, what is this? This is the oils that she gives me for my hair, and it's literally like what hair grow. So I will try one of the shirts on. Of course, I'm gonna do the blue one. I'll be right back. Ew. It's comfy, it's big. Y'all know me. I will wear a t-shirt as a dress any day, anytime. Okay. But yes, it's super comfy if I take off the heels. It's just a big t-shirt. You know, it says Violet D. You know what I'm saying? It matches my blue hair. Period. What else do we have? Boom, boom, boom. What have we gone through? Everything at this point. Oh, Nana brought me makeup brushes because she knows I've been trying to start fresh with my makeup. So let's go ahead and go into that. I bought myself a birthday gift, okay? Because I am not that savvy in makeup. I just be throwing things on my face. So I went shopping and I got me some more Fenty Beauty. You know what I'm saying? Diana helped me get my makeup kit together. So I have Fenty Beauty makeup. I have her highlighter. I got both the highlighters because I wanted to, you know, do all of that. I have a NARS lipstick. I think that was a free gift. So it was my birthday, you get a free gift at Sephora. I got a Morphe stick, some more makeup brushes, more Fenty. But these are just Fenty lip gloss. Let me see. You know her lipstick. I love this one though. So I bought another one. But yeah, so started my new makeup, you know, a little slight little team. Wow. So then I got this, which I love. Y'all see that? That's my name right there. Like, that's so beautiful with the flowers. So thoughtful. And this is from Kemi. Thank you, Mamacita. I don't know what this is. This is a Good Vibes soy wax candle. Oh, and it smells great. So it has this little wax. Happy birthday, Lid. Sorry I missed your birthday weekend, but I hope this makes you smile and happy during your me time. Enjoy, Kemi OG. So thoughtful. Like, everything was just very cute. This is my favorite part. I have been crying about a mug. I want a mug. I want to sip coffee. Not coffee. I want to sip tea and things like that. And look what I got. My very own cup that has my name on it. Y'all better stop playing with her, okay? She's not one of them. She is not one of them. That falls. A L. She went through with the L's. You know, look at my stuff. Hey, girl. Yeah. I love, love, love it. Make sure there's nothing else in here because, you know. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Self-care time. I will be using all of this. Thanks again, Emmy. And then, Poppy got me these, okay. All right, let me move these out the way. You know, I haven't worn forces in so long. And he's there trying to make sure that, you know, I don't be all heels all the time. Stop playing with her. She's not one of them. She is not one of them. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be stepping in my Air Force One, big boy. On my Air Force One. What a lot. You know what I'm saying? Then he got me an empty bag. Well, now it has Sarah stuff in it. He gave me an empty bag. And in the empty bag was a trip. Not gonna tell you where we're going. You will see it coming soon. Got me a trip to. So, actually, I can wear this fit together. What's up? Right? And last but not least, my friend Britt got me this. Like, y'all, I don't even want to try this on for y'all because I'm definitely going to wear it, and when y'all wear it, I want y'all to see it for the first time. Cause don't play with her, she's not whatever. Look at this, y'all. It's a chocolate dress, and it's gonna expand on this chocolate skin. This is my Valentine's Day fit, okay? So I'm not gonna wear it on for y'all. Y'all will see me. Follow me on Instagram at Lid Rock, YouTube Lid Rock, you know? And see what this dress looking like on me. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and helping me unbox my birthday gifts, my birthday presents. I'm super grateful, thankful to God for another year. It's been crazy last year, right? I had a good birthday last year though. But this year was even grandiose. All my friends flew in from different places, and I was just so grateful. We had an epic time in the H, and thank you guys so much for tuning in with me and getting dressed with me and seeing how fly I'm about to get on y'all. Love you. Always stay trill. Love. Lid Rock.